What will you see when you open your eyes today? The road to your next milestone?
Come on, Ma. What are you waiting for? Start the car now.
An exciting challenge you can't wait to take on. Innocent smiles that brighten your day.
It's so nice, Dadu. But where's the color?
Or a new chapter unfolding in a wonderful direction.
Ma, the baby is playing football in my tummy today.
No matter what you see when you open your eyes today, we want you to see it brilliantly. Because you deserve to face your challenges fearlessly. See your world vividly. Pursue your passions joyously. Live your life brilliantly. Reduce your dependency on glasses after cataract surgery. Alcon. Choose to see brilliantly, live brilliantly.